If you also facing Shopee error checkout on your checkout error, that is for $13 or 14 about, how can you simply solve these type of errors? Firstly, I will go on my Google Chrome or any browser on your PC and log into your account. So let's search for here. I will simply search and log into my account of Shopee. Click on the first website to open it, and from here you have to go on your account section and log into your account. But if you are facing the issue with checkout payment methods, then how can you simply solve it? This issue can be only solved to change your country. If the payment method is not available in your country, then it may decline your payment checkout. But if this issue is because any error, any bug, or any network connection error, this will be solved in this video. So now I have logged into my account right now on my Shopee account, and I will purchase any of the product I want and simply go to the checkout page. So where what we have to do is, whenever you're checking out and the checkout is declined by Shopee or you cannot check out simply, how can you solve this? You just have to log out of your Google Chrome, like clear all the tabs open on your Google Chrome, including the Shopee tab also. And after that, you simply have to regain the access to your Shopify account or Shopee account. So now I will simply clear this or delete this tab from my Google Chrome, and then I will restart my PC, connect a better network connection, and then again I will try to do this. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching.